Hey AD, is there a safer way to run AI agents without exposing your whole computer?
See, everybody keeps talking about AI agents, AI this, AI that. Nobody really tells you how to run AI securely. Forget about Mac minis, forget about private cloud, forget about home servers. Cloudflare just made it stupidly easy to run AI safely. Cloudflare just dropped something called Molt Worker, and in my view, it's kind of a big deal. Molt Worker runs inside of Cloudflare's new secure sandbox that was specifically built for AI agents that need to run in secure code. So essentially it was built for OpenCloud. What I think actually does make a difference besides the secure part is that it has Chromium built in. So essentially your AI agents can open a browser, can click on them, can script them, can browse them, can perform tasks on your browser on your behalf. So imagine what that can unlock for you. Molt Worker runs inside Cloudflare new secure sandbox that was specifically built to help you run AI agents that need to run in secure code. So essentially it was built for this insecurities we're talking about. Here's the part nobody really talks about, right? As someone that deploys AI teams to real businesses pretty frequently, building an AI agent is actually not hard. That's the easy part these days. I think building them in a secure environment and making them actually perform to meet your customers' KPIs is actually where the bottleneck is. So here is the security playbook we use for every system we build. Number one, I can't stress this enough. You want to run your AI agents in an isolated environment. You cannot use business accounts. You cannot use environments that actually host business data. You have to run it in a Cloudflare environment or in an isolated environment where they don't mess with data they shouldn't be messing with. 2, limited access. Make sure you're giving your AI just the access it needs to perform its task. If you're creating an API key for your AI, make sure it's scoped and make sure you create a separate API key for your AI agent. I've probably said this in my other videos. Limited access. Give it only access to the things that it needs to do to perform its tasks. Number 3, separate identities. Make sure you're creating separate accounts for your AI agent, especially if you're testing things out. Make sure they work before you integrate them to real environments. Number 4, which I think is the most important, human in the loop. Make sure that if your AI is performing a task on your behalf that is sensitive or is writing something on your behalf, make sure it goes through an approval flow and make sure you're right there in the loop to approve of it before it kicks off. Number 5, monitoring and alerting. Make sure you're logging everything AI is doing and make sure you set thresholds and you get alerted when AI starts passing the limits so you can take action. Having said that, why does Molt Worker really matter? I think it's one of the first times that we have a system that was built specifically for AI agents that are unsecure like this, and you can self-host, you can control the permissions, and you can also control how things work. If you want me to show you how to set this up step by step, just comment Molt Worker below, and I'll send the full guide to you.
Thanks AD, that is super impactful, more to come.